Okay, so this is your step-by-step plan to take back your home from bedbugs, regain control quickly, and sleep more safely starting tonight. Here's the thing, if bedbugs are stealing your sleep and making you feel out of control, this guide gives a clear, practical plan you can carry out yourself. You'll learn how to stop bites tonight, treat rooms so the infestation shrinks and disappears, and know when they're gone. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bedbugs, click the link below. This one's important. When you're being bitten, the first priority is to reduce new bites so you and your family can sleep and recover. Okay, so these first actions cut new bites fast. Put a bedbug-proof mattress encasement on your mattress and box spring. Wash and dry bedding and clothing on high heat. Put interceptors under bed legs to catch climbers and to monitor activity while you treat the room. You know what really helps? Move the bed away from walls and pull nearby furniture or clutter back. Bed bugs usually travel from furniture or walls to the bed, so creating space makes it harder for them to reach you, and it makes treatment simpler. This is the part most people skip, and it's exactly why small steps matter. These steps cut bites quickly so you and your family can sleep, recover, and think clearly. Be gentle with yourself. This is stressful, and small wins matter. Here's the thing, spraying alone rarely fixes the problem. You need a coordinated plan that uses cleaning, heat, physical barriers, and targeted sprays. This one's important. Spraying alone rarely fixes the problem. You need a coordinated plan that combines cleaning, heat, physical barriers, and targeted sprays. It sounds like more work, but it's necessary. Stick with this approach and follow the schedule below. Okay, so start with these core actions. Declutter smartly and keep items sealed so bugs can't scatter. Deep clean targeted areas, vacuum seams, baseboards, bed frames, and cracks, then seal and toss vacuum contents. Use heat where possible. Steam seams or launder and dry on high heat to kill bugs and eggs. Here's the spray part and what comes after. Use a contact spray for visible bugs and a residual spray where bugs travel, and follow the label exactly. Stick to the example schedule, twice weekly for a month, then taper while you keep encasements and laundering. Keep clean and unclean clothes separate to avoid recontamination. Be methodical and keep notes of dates and where you treat it. If you see live bugs after a week or two, keep going. Persistence is normal and necessary. To find the specific products we recommend to treat bed bugs and protect your home, click the link below. This one's important, how to know the infestation is gone and what to do so it doesn't come back. This is the 3-month rule as written. If you do not see any of the following for 3 consecutive months, live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots, the infestation is very likely eliminated. That's the rule. Keep monitoring, maintain interceptors, and check mattress seams and baseboards weekly. Continue encasements for at least a year to catch any stray survivors. Place furniture only when necessary. If something can't be treated, wrap it and mark it so it doesn't spread the infestation. These extra practical tips help you document what you find, stay calm, and avoid unsafe shortcuts while you treat today. Photograph any bites or bugs you find so you can track changes and calm yourself. If you find a new hotspot, increase treatment frequency in that room while keeping other rooms on maintenance. Never use flammable or unsafe heat sources. Stick to dryers, steamers, and products made for bed bug treatment. Consistency beats panic. Following the plan exactly and keeping treatment records is how you go from overwhelmed to in control. You're not alone in this. Many people win this fight with consistent effort. You can do this. Keep going and protect your home. You can do this. Start with immediate bite reduction measures. Follow the schedule and keep encasements and interceptors until you pass the 3-month test. For the tools we trust to finish the job, click the link below.